Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we got a sneaker review and unboxing of the NOTWOWAYZ APRICITY. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. So let's get into it. Today, we are blessed and lucky enough to review a brand new pair of NOTWOWAYZ. It's their latest silhouette. It's the APRICITYs, and we got this in a UK size 6, it's European size 39, and it's US women's 8.5. Now this is in the Exuberance colorway, so this is much like their very first silhouette. It's a different shape sneaker, but it's using the same colorway in the Exuberance. Now this is true white, exuberant orange, and jet black icy blue colorway. And big shout out to Chris, who was able to get a pair. I do believe that you can still get a pair. So at the time of this recording, we are at the tail end of December. You can get a pair on the NOTWOWAYZ website. I did check. So if you ever want a pair after seeing this review, and you're a big fan of Calyx and Rockwell Princely, go check it out. Go buy yourself a pair. This is not an advert. These guys, Calyx, I wish, as much as we love Calyx here at Oneupreviewz, I'd love to get a free pair, that would be great, but Chris was able to get a pair, so thank you, Chris. Now, again, I mentioned Rockwell and Calyx, so for those that don't know, NOTWOWAYZ is a brand made out of it's the brainchild of Calyx and Rockwell Princely, and it's essentially a YouTube sneaker. We are a YouTube channel, so big up those guys, big shout out to Calyx and Rockwell always. We have done past NOTWOWAYZ reviews in the past, so check those out. We've done other colorways, and this is essentially a different color of the After Dark. So we'll look at this box. So it comes in this brown and orange box here. As always, with every NOTWOWAYZ release, it comes with that little triangle window where you can see through into the paper. But what's different about this one is you've got this translucent inner, and it's got the birth date, I guess, of when Calyx founded NOTWOWAYZ on 15th of August 2020. I think that was the first launch of the Exuberance. And here we go. There we go. So just like the After Dark, this is the Arrow silhouette. It's a sock liner, and it's much different to the other ones that we have done in the past. This is more akin to the After Dark, it's that black colorway. And so we'll start with the outsole when we look into this sneaker. And you've got this icy blue finish. It's a rubber outsole. You've got a little exposed bit of the Phylon midsole. So we work our way onto that midsole. As I mentioned, this is a Phylon midsole. It's made out of recycled materials, which is great to see. Right there, that's for the cushioning and the support. As you move along to the upper, now this is where we get to the good stuff, and where I mentioned that this is essentially a sock liner. It's a booty finish, and you've got bits of levers right here at the toe box area. So if you look here, you've got a strip of leather that makes the toe box area, and you can see just around the toes where your baby toes, the little toe would be. You've got that little window of the 3M reflective, as a lot of NOTWOWAYZ sneakers have. They've always got that 3M. If you look more onto the upper here, just on the toe box area, you got heat pressed plastics, and just underneath that you got the essential knit that makes the sneaker. So the majority of the sneaker is made out of this white knit. Where you go along to the top to the ankle support and the tongue, that's a black knit. You look at the medial side, and that's where the Arrow name gets its name from. So you got the NOTWOWAYZ, and you got this directional arrow facing the front. And that's just on the heel as well, so it continues around, it wraps itself around to the heel there, and that's in that leather material. Moving up more onto the heel, you got this translucent orange pull tab, a characteristic you'll find on a lot. Well, you'll find in all the NOTWOWAYZ sneakers, which is great to see. It's great to see that consistency. As we mentioned in that box, you always see that window where you can see the inside of the box. Going more towards the tongue and the laces. So the laces is your thick rope laces. And if you're not a big fan of these white and black laces, it comes in blue. We look at the tongue. So you've got the NOTWOWAYS logo there. And you've got essentially some of this ripstop synthetic cottons. With it being a sock liner, it's easy to pull and easy to get your feet in. The inner sole, it's a foam insole. You got the NOTWOWAYS logo there, bright orange. And where else? So on the inside as well, so where the tongue pull tab here in the front continues, you got the NOTWOWAYS logo there as well. Now that rounds off my review. I really like these pairs. Great callback to the first Exuberance NOTWOWAYS sneaker, incorporating those colours, showing their roots really. And again, big shout out to Calyx, big shout out to Rockwell Princely. These guys have made another dope sneaker. I'm gonna throw you over to Chris, so here's Chris trying these on.
As you can see, they're pretty much the same silhouette as the NOTWOWAYS After Dark. Initial thoughts are they aren't as flexible in the toes. I'm not quite sure what the true difference is. I think the toe box is a bit firmer, but they are comfortable. I'm not saying they're not comfortable. Fit is as usual, go true to size, and if you're like me and like a snug fit, they fit perfectly. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram on OneUpreviewz with a Z. Thanks for watching again. Peace.